All right, what up, y'all? So we are back with the vet, and as you can see, having headlight problem. So just a quick video, I'm gonna show y'all how to work these lights if yours are acting funny. So just a quick look when you turn them on. Yeah. So weird stuff going on, but and now this one is stuck up. But yeah. I'm gonna flip them back on real quick. So it'll be the same on this car, on the Corvettes and the Firebirds. I think this is pointed a different way, but this is the motor that lifts your headlights. It normally has a cover on it, but the one on that side didn't have a cover for some reason, probably because it was messing up. But yeah, it'll be a cover like this that'll pull off. So put that back on. But once you get this off, you just turn the knob. So this is to the right. It's way more turns than you expect it to be. So just, be prepared for that. But the more you turn, the more the light starts to lift. So again, way more turns than you think it's gonna be. So be prepared to do a lot of twisting. But as you go, your light comes up like so. Still got a little bit more to go, but it'll start to get tight once you get to the end. So get to where you feel comfortable. But yeah, so still can go up just a little bit more, but that is how you do it. And same way with letting it down, you just twist it the other way. But yeah, let's see, watch, once I let this down, we'll turn them off, it'll probably stay up. So it's been weird, but if you need to flip them open, see, look at that. So if you need to flip them open because your lights are acting weird like mine, that's how you do, if you just need some lights at night. But that's it. I got to figure out why they aren't on the same page anymore, and hopefully I can get that figured out sometime soon. But yeah, that's that. So I will catch y'all in the next one.